There are more than 46 must-known AI tools in 2026, and most of people are using only two or three of them. These AI landscapes has exploded into 13 or more categories in 2026, which are from general AI to agentic AI, and there is a specialized tool for everything now. In next 2 minutes, you will know exactly which tool to use for every task you face. Let's start with the four foundational categories. The first one is the general AI, which is like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. Use these for your questions, writing code, open-ended research, right? And you have like AI productivity, which are like NotebookLM, Notion AI, Grammarly. These are help you to organize your knowledge and sharpen your writing. And third one is your AI automation, which is like Zapier, N8N, Make. Connect your apps without writing a single line of code. And the fourth one is this AI design like Canva AI, Adobe, Firefly, Ideogram. These help you to generate professional visuals in few seconds. Let's look at the next wave of AI app builder, which are like Replit, Bolt, Lovable, Glide. Build full apps from just like a prompt, and you have like AI research like Perplexity, Glean, U.com, Brave. There are multiple ones, and you get answers from the source, not hallucination. And then you have like Agentic AI, where you have like Manus, OpenClaw, Devin, Replit agents. They don't just use it; they act autonomously on your behalf. And you have like creative AI, like Nano Banana, VO3, ElevenLabs, HeyGen. These generate videos and voice from text. Then comes like your AI coding stuff, which are like Cursor, Cloud Code, Replit, Codex. Write and review your code faster than any developer could have done alone. Then you have like video editing tools like Descript, CapCut, Riverside. You have music generators like Suno, Udio, Iva. Then you have like AI data visualization like Tableau Plus, Power BI, Copilot, Julius AI. There are too many of them, right? And you also have like AI meetings and communication like Granola, Fathom, Otter, Fireflies, Avon. There are n number of AI tools now, and five tools that turns your meetings, actionable items. These are like 13 categories and 46 tools. Every kind of work now you want to do, which will come under in any one of these categories, and you have one or more tools, AI tools available for you to get this going. But here is how you can actually pick the right one. If you need to think, write, research, or find information, that's the think bucket. And where you can go for like general AI or productivity or AI research tools, which covers them. And if you need to build something like an app, workflow, or code, that's the build bucket, which are like the app builders, automations, or AI codings, or agentic AI. And if you need to create visuals, videos, or audio, that's your create section. So where you can look for like AI design or creative AI or video editing or music generation categories. Or if you need analyze data or run meetings, or that's your analyze bucket, where you have like data visualization and some meetings and tools which handle it. So if you look at these four buckets, one clear decisions every time. So what do you want to do, and then you can pick the which tool from each categories. So here's the rule, right? If you need to think, write, or research something, use general AI or AI research. If you need to build an app, write code, or automate workflow, use coding or automation, which is like Cloud Code or Cursor or Codex, right? If you need to create videos or audios or visuals, do a research on creative or AI design. Match the tools to the task and not the hype. So look at which is your need, and there are n number of tools which I given. I don't know if you have seen all these names. Just look at those into the Google, and you will see these tools what the purpose, I'm not saying these are free tools. Most of them will have like some free tier or some credits which you can use daily. If not, you'll have to get some subscriptions. The real winner in 2026 isn't the person with the most AI tool. It's the one who knows exactly which tools to use and when, right? Because I don't want to pay like 10 AI tools with high cost. Like I don't want to pay for Cloud Code, Cursor, Codex, everything. I decide which one is best suited for me and what's my purpose, right? And which tool actually change or is needed for me for my exact use case. So drop a comment, on which AI tool actually changed the way you work this year. If you have used any AI tools, just put the comment which one you like. And if you find a tool here which you actually want to try, give a like, subscribe, and you can. If you didn't see anything and if you have missed something, just let me know in the comment section as well. Thank you for watching.